What's going on? Welcome. We'll get started in a few seconds, give some people time to get in. In the meantime, hit that share button, hit that retweet button, get it out there, blow up Twitter, destroy Twitter, break it down. I want them to send me an email saying, Akil, no more Periscopes. Too many retweets at once. Ugh. Workout was good. I did did some miles today at race pace. So it was tough. It was tough. My legs aren't feeling too good, but got out there, hit the goal. It was a good workout. So I'm doing really good in my training, which is positive. I'm healthy, so I'm doing things the right way, taking the right steps. Right? It's amazing what happens when you do things the right way and take the right steps. Right? Success seems to just sneak up and get you. Right? But yeah, I train. I'm a track and field coach, which is kind of going into the topic of today's blog as well. But yeah, track and field coach, former athlete. I did about every sport growing up, everything from tennis, baseball, basketball, a little bit of soccer, probably should have done more, football, and then eventually track and field at the collegiate level. So didn't do cricket, no, not hard to find cricket over here in the States. You are Hussein's Bolt brother. Could be. Could be. All right, we'll get started in a few more. I'll watch on times. A few more seconds. I still see people coming in, so give them a few more seconds to get in here. But how are you guys doing? You guys doing good? You guys ready for a weekend, or some of you, your weekend has already started? Good time to get away from the charts, spend some time with family, spend some time doing relaxing. Big college football weekend, massive college football weekend. I'm probably going to miss most of it, but some really, really big games. Ryder Cup as well. I wasn't going to, I'm not going to say anything about the Ryder Cup this year. I've jinxed it in the past, so I'm going to zip my mouth. And we'll see what happens. We got a lot of people typing in saying they really enjoyed the Week in the Live Room. For you guys that are, maybe this is your first time joining me, my name is Akil Stokes. I am a full-time professional trader. I'm the chief currency analyst over at TradeEmpower.com. I am also a FOREX trading coach. So I take the hard-learned lessons that I had to struggle through learning how to trade, and now I deliver that advice and help others who are looking to become consistently profitable traders find success. So it's good. It's rewarding. It's good as a business as well, but it's also rewarding to be able to have a business where you can really give back and help others achieve the same goal that you have. But we invited our syndicate members to our live trading room. We have 2 live trading rooms here at Trade Empower. We have a London trading room with Jason Greystone. He had a big week as well. Not only did he run a live trading room, but he had a big entrepreneurial event which went really good. And so a lot of the Trade Empowered team, a lot of the live room members, a lot of the 12-week transformation members actually went down there, saw it live, and had a chance to hang out, which is it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. A lot of traders get a kick out of that. We don't hold ourselves higher than everyone else. We're normal people just like you. We all started in the same place. We're not celebrities. We're traders that made it, and we like to kick it. We like to sit back and talk, grab a beer. We like to do all that stuff just like anyone else. So despite what you may think, we are normal people. We just show our face a lot on YouTube. But we had that event, but we had our syndicate members join us in the live trading rooms because Charles Miles, who does our morning war room meeting, he was out of town. He was out in beautiful Colorado with the family. So instead of just saying, hey, syndicate members, take a week off, we said, hey, come join us in the live room. Come experience what it's like to trade live. Come see what we're seeing. Get some education. Have a chance to connect with other traders. Ask some questions. And it was a very, very good experience for everyone. And one of the topics that we talked about today, I'm going to get more into this probably in the Sunday's Forex market preview video. But at the very end of today, we talked about goal setting. There was a trader that had a question. He was saying, well, what should I set as goals? Should it be 20 pips a day, 50 pips a day? And we got into a big discussion about process goals versus outcome goals. And it reminded me of a conversation we had yesterday. We had a track and field meeting yesterday with our women's team. And there was something that our head coach said that really, really, really caught my attention. You guys are familiar with the New England Patriots, correct? The football team, American football team, America, red, white, and blue. Give me a yes if you're familiar with New England Patriots. Anybody? Okay. Well, they're probably going to go down as one of the best teams ever. They've essentially been good for the last 15 years, and they probably have the best coach in NFL history named Bill Belichick. Now, the cool thing about the Patriots is that it's his team. He demands a certain type of player. He demands the team to act a certain type of way, and they have a single sign in their locker room. So there's one sign that all the players look at before they go to every practice, before they go to every game. And what do you guys think that sign is? Right? A single sign, a single saying, a single phrase. What do you think that phrase is? Enjoy it. Win. What? Win, baby, win. Oakland Raiders. Look left. No. The single sign is this. 3 words, right? Do your job. That's all. Do your job, right? 3 things. And those are 3 very, very, very powerful words that relate to trading as well. And when it comes to goal setting, again, it's very hard to set goals with an outcome, like a pip amount, because we don't control the markets. I can't come in and say that the markets is going to give me this many trading attempts this week. I can't say that if I do get a trading attempt, right, an opportunity, I can't say it's going to give me this many pips or that many pips. I can't tell you if it's going to win or lose. That's not up to me. I can't control that. The only thing that I can control is that I come into the markets each and every day and I consistently do my job. So I do exactly what I'm supposed to do, which in the trading world is follow my rules. And if there's a trading opportunity that meets my rules, my job is to take it. Now that's all I can control. I can't control anything else. All I can control is that I do my analysis the right way, that I execute my trade the right way, and that I manage my trade the right way. Everything else is left up to the market. And one of the problems that we run into when we try to set goals is we start chasing those goals and we start trying to do more than what we need to do. Instead of just coming in and doing our job, which is execute one good trade at a time, we come into the markets and we try to get fancy, and it leads to stuff like over trading and revenge trading and getting out early and entering too quickly. And that type of stuff is what sinks a trader's ship. Again, there's a 90% fail rate in this industry, and there's a reason why it's 90%. It's not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence that 90% of traders fail. There are some reasons behind it, and this is one of them. So we got to remember, do your job. And when you set specific outcome-based goals, and what I mean by outcome is that, this many pips or, the result. When we set result goals, remember, we don't control the result, especially in the short run. Now, we know if we consistently do our job, right, and we're doing our job the right way, the long-term result should be in our favor. But from an individual standpoint, from trade to trade to trade, we have no control over that. And a lot of traders get into trouble really by trying to do too much. And, it's a tough mindset to fixate on. It's tough to make that paradigm shift to really focus, because how we are. We always think about money. Most of us get into trading because we want to make a lot of money really fast. It's hard to get our head around, hey, we're not here to make money. We're here to execute good trades. And it's hard to do that when money is at stake each and every time we place a trade. So it's difficult, but it's really the best way to trade. It's really the only way you're going to find consistency in the market. And, each and every week, this is why, I do keep weekly stats for the syndicate. But me personally, I only look at my numbers about once a month, right? I wait till my broker sends me the spreadsheet and I look at it and I do my monthly evaluations. That's the only time I really look at numbers. Aside from that, I don't know if I'm having a profitable month. I don't know if I'm in drawdown. Sometimes I can tell. I can tell if it's really, really good or really, really bad. But in most cases, I have no idea if I'm up or down. Now that's madness, Akil, right? How are you a professional trader and you don't know if you're up or down? Because I don't care. What do you think is the only thing I care about? There's one thing I care about. No, seriously, type it in. Water, not coffee. Cool coffee cup though, but water. Yeah, I care about one thing. I care about doing my job. I care about do your job. That's all I care about. And you'd be surprised that if you just do your job day in and day out, the results often end up where you want to be. For example, this week, I just took a look at the numbers this week, another triple digit week. If you would have asked me, I would have said maybe, a 50 pip week, maybe. It didn't seem like we did much this week, right? I didn't really have any standout trades. I had one big loser, so I'm like, okay, well, maybe that took away profit from a few trades. Probably just a steady week. Another triple digit week. Didn't even notice it. That's how you know you're trading good. That's how you know you're trading good. When you don't even notice your success and you don't even notice that you're in a drawdown. And again, this is assuming that you still want to make sure you're doing stuff like you're reviewing your trades, you're not making any mistakes. But if you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, if you're doing your job, you won't even notice the outcome. And before you know it, it'll sneak up on you and be like, wow, you're profitable. And that's that's how you know you're in the zone, right? So the moral of today's video blog is control what you can control. It's another thing. Again, our head coach over at the track and field team, my coach, Andy Young, he always says this, control what you can control. And it works perfectly for track and field because you're in an individual lane. All you can do is work on your training. All you can do is run your best. You can't control the person to the left of you on how they run. You can't control the person to the right of you on how they perform. All you can do is do as much as you can possibly do to put yourself in the situation where you can succeed, and any success is a success, guys. Even if you're not winning medals, even if I'm lined up against Usain Bolt, even if I don't beat him, but I run a season's best or a personal best, that's still a success. And as long as you're finding those little successes, you're going in the right direction. As long as you're going in the right direction, you can have a very, very, very good career. And this is trading or even outside of trading too. So that's it for today, guys. Of course, I'll put this up to my YouTube channel, Akil Stokes. You can also follow it on, we have little sections on our Trade Empowered YouTube page. We have a YouTube page for Trade Empowered where it's videos from Jason Stapleton, Jason Greystone, myself, Charles Miles. Just YouTube search Trade Empowered FX, and there's little, playlist underneath that says Forex Market Preview, Akil Stokes. I'll put it up under there as well. But make sure you're subscribed this week. Sunday, I will be doing another Forex market preview. I have no idea what I'll be talking about yet. Probably a little bit more into goal setting, and show you something on the charts as well. But make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. And wish you guys a great weekend. Everton, we need to make a comeback today. We need to beat Crystal Palace. Get that done after dropping some points last week. Hopefully that's the case. And if you saw my Instagram or my Twitter earlier, I've got a FIFA 17 to pop open while the kid's not here. This is the small bit of time I get to enjoy kind of the past life of playing video games and watching TV before all these darn responsibilities took over. So I'm going to go enjoy myself. I had a good weekend. I made a lot of money in the market, so I'm going to reap the benefits of my labor. So love you guys. Have a good weekend. As always, plan your trade, trade your plan. I'll see you Sunday.